Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 4th, 2022. We're going to talk about NIO today. I'm going to give you all a NIO stock analysis just by looking at the price bars and the volume. Now, for those who have been riding with me since the very beginning, welcome back. I definitely want to say thank you all for believing in the content that I am creating, showing you all the price predictions as to where we think price is going to go without the confusion. Now, to those who are new, you're at a great spot. Yeah, I'm actually here to show you that you can predict prices on your own without being led astray by these YouTubers, without being led astray by dropping some indicators on your chart, without being led astray by looking at fundamental analysis. No, just look at price bars and volume to get an understanding as to what the majority of the market is thinking. Yeah, this is what I've been showing everyone. So if you're one of my day ones, I definitely want to do a thank you for the support, for the the belief that you all have in me, showing you all that you can do this for yourself. If you haven't yet, hit that like button, share video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because guess what? Yeah, I know that there's been YouTubers out here that's been telling you that NIO's going to hit $100 and then price goes down to 40, then they lowered it to NIO's going to hit $60, and now we're here at 19. Yeah, they continue to come in and give you the same type of information to come in and buy this stock, right? But the whole time, chart is telling you it's weak. The whole time they come out with a video, they come out with a news article, price in NIO is telling you something different. Don't believe what you see on YouTube. Pay attention to the charts. This is why I'm on YouTube. It's because I want everyone to understand that you don't have to listen and be persuaded or convinced that NIO is a buy. This is not what a buyer's market looks like. This is a seller's market. And you got to think about it. There's thousands upon thousands of people and businesses who look at NIO, right? And if certain individuals is coming out telling you that NIO is a buy, and they want you to buy on these dips, and the stock is on discount, and you need the dollar cost average, this chart is not telling you to do that. This chart is telling you that the majority of the market is selling, that the majority of the market is not interested in NIO. So why would you come in and tell people to do these things? It's beyond me. You should not be listening to these individuals. Listen to the charts. This is a weak chart. Yeah, NIO is weak, and you cannot convince me otherwise, because looking at the price chart, we're in a downtrend. So why would you tell someone to come in and buy a stock that is clearly weak? Oh, I forgot. Yeah, they want you to hold it for the next 4,000 years, because in the next 4,000 years, the price of NIO is going to be higher than where it is today. I get it. Check this out. We're going to look at NIO on the weekly time frame, okay? Because basically, I'm still seeing weakness on the chart. Yeah, nothing has changed from my last price prediction, which was on the 23rd of February. Nothing has changed. The market is still weak. And it's weak to the point to where we can actually still see the market come down here. Right? Right there. We can still see price come down to $17. So what I wanted to show you again is that this trend right here, if the market in NIO was truly strong, if this was truly a buyer's market, this is where you want to say dollar cost average. This is where you want to say buy the dip, right? When this price in NIO right here started its descension, this is where you wanted to say you needed to buy the dip. But that was only under the premise that buyers were actually buying the dip. They didn't do it. That's why price in NIO on this bout of going up right here got rejected. And we continue to see price fall. Now, the next trend for us to see NIO hit is this one. All right, so let me show it to you. We cannot allow NIO to break this trend. Okay. So it looks as if NIO was going to come down to $16, if anything. Yeah, 16. I'm already telling you that right now, March the 4th, 2022. Why are you going to continue to get videos out here telling you that NIO is still a buy? Why do I say $16? Because this is where the market trend in NIO actually started its bullish run right here. Back in 2020, March of 2020. So I'm suspecting that this market is going to try to come back down to this trend to see whether or not the buyers are willing to buy of this stock again, which brings us here, right there. You see that, right? This is how this game is played. It's not hard. It's not complicated. We're still anticipating this stock to go down. Look at it on the 2 weeks. Okay. Now, why do I say that I'm still seeing weakness on the chart for NIO? Let's keep it a buck. Look, right here. The last 2 weekly price bars, NIO confirmed that it could not even break above $26 and like 45 cents, 50 cents. It couldn't do it then. This is why the current 2 weekly price bar is going down. Weakness is right here. I mean, earnings report is coming in around the end of this month. Be prepared for volatility leading into and up to that release. Now, the market may just trade sideways until we actually hit that earnings release, and then that's when we'll see the dump in this stock's price once the release comes through. But right now, nothing has changed. This market in NIO is still relatively weak. Okay. So we're going to continue to play the weakness here into the market in NIO. We actually saw not long after I did my last video in NIO on the 23rd of February, the market actually came down and opened at $18.50. So we was already in profit mode for NIO right there on the low. But what I'm seeing right now on the weekly basis, 2 weekly time frame, is that yeah, this stock is still harnessing some weakness, and the buyers are not really panning out right now in NIO. So let's go ahead and extend this out a little bit further. I'm not going to change my price prediction. It still remains the same. Still looking for this stock to go down. It's simple. This is how quick it's supposed to come through and see whether or not this is a buyer's market or a seller's market. It should not take you 45 minutes on one stock to determine where price is going to be, where price trying to go. It shouldn't take that long. Because when you see this on the 12-month time frame, right? The 12-month time frame here in NIO told you to be prepared for the weakness. The last 12 months, last year, this is the price range of how NIO traded, and it was weak. This is why we're getting the weakness this year, right now. So expect the price to continue to go down until the buyers appear in the market, and they have not appeared yet. So hit me up. Let me know what you all think, though. Where are we going to go into the market for NIO? All right. And I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.